Hello, I'm Cyrus.
I'm Matt.
This is my buddy Matt. He lives down the road. And today is 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I got my overalls on, my tactical overalls. I wanted to show you guys this. These are tactical. Check that out. It's like having one of those, what are they called, mole?
Yeah.
Are you? That's cool, huh? Today, what are these called? Pocket nines?
Yep. Pocket
Today,
pistols.
Today we got pocket nines we're gonna check out. I got my Ruger LC9S. This is actually Stephanie's Ruger LC9S. It is clear. 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 What you got, Matt?
Got my dad's Glock 43. It's also clear.
For all you safety Nazis out there. So, right off the bat, we're going to do a shooting test here in a little bit. But right off the bat, I'm going to say these are fairly comparable in size. Ruger LC9S might be just a tad heavier. And from the factory, it comes with a 7-round mag.
This one did have a, from the factory, it comes with a 6-round, and see, he's added an extension to the floor plate. Holds 2 more, so now it's 8 plus 1.
So I'm going to say this one here feels pretty good in the hand, in my hand. It's got a little pinky extension there, so I can wrap a whole 3 fingers. That pinky's just got a little bit hanging over. That's what I got. Let me see that. With the extension on this one, I definitely get a full wrap around. This grip here, I don't know, I think this grip here feels maybe, of course with the different mag, feels just a little bit bigger maybe than that one.
I think it does.
Give me a length side by side. That's that. Of course his has the extension on it, so it's going to stick out just a little bit longer. Sight radiuses on there, you can tell the Glock's just a little bit longer for the top of the slide. So as far as concealability, I think these are both pretty comparable, pretty close. They both have, of course the Glock has the standard, what do you call that back sight? What do they call that?
I don't even know.
We don't know. You know, not the 2 dots, but the line, solid line. Whereas this one here has the 2 dots, 3 dots. So we're gonna go shoot them here in just a minute. That's what we're shooting, and we'll give you an update afterwards. Thanks for watching.
I wonder what that sight is for.
Alright folks, this is how we're going to do these tests. We're going to make it standard for every handgun we do. We're going to fire 6 shots, everything we test out, at 7 yards. We're at 7 yards, 6 shots. And we're going to use the same ammo for both guns. What kind of ammo are we shooting today?
We got Winchester USA forged.
So, I'm going to shoot with the Ruger first. Matt's going to shoot with the Glock. And then we're going to switch them around. And what I'm going for, I'm not going for speed. I'm going more for precision here. So we're going to take fairly slow, steady paced shots. 6 rounds each. I'm going to go first. Then Matt's going to go. over there and see if he can see me.
Oh yeah, I can see you and the target.
All right, here's what I got. Matt's gonna mark the holes and he's gonna count them off for me.
1, there's 2 and 3. That's 2. 4 and 5. And 6. The thing was punching right through the same holes.
All right, so that's not a bad grouping for a little 9 at 7 yards, I'd say. I'll take it. That first shot was, I've only shot this firearm probably twice, a couple times, so I haven't shot a lot with it. That take-up on that thing was kind of surprising. It's got a longer take-up than I remember, so that first shot actually kind of threw me off. Now then, Matt's going to shoot with the Glock. All right, Matt, show us what you got.
Badness. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's 6?
Uh-oh.
Mystery. Yep, 6 is AWOL.
I don't see 6 unless it went through somewhere else.
I must have shot it through the same hole.
Probably. We're going to switch it up now. Glock 43, ready to go. First time I've shot this. All right, what we got, Matt?
Looks like you got on target with that one. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 and 5 and 6.
So it's definitely got a different trigger, I'll say, than the Ruger does. Like I said, it took me, that one, the first shot, same thing, took me by surprise. So Matt's going to give it a go with the Ruger now.
Ruger.
All right, Matt, what do you got?
Looks like I followed my same trail throughout here. Starting at the bottom, working our way up. 2. There's 3, 4, 5, and where's 6? It's that last shot that always gets me.
Maybe it was the first shot that got you.
It might have been. Yeah, unless it went in one of these holes. I got 5 up there. Could have went through there.
That's what makes you feel good about yourself, sure.
It'll help me sleep at night.
Did we already count one there? Because that looks like 2.
Yeah, it does look like 2.
I don't know if we already marked that as 2 or not, but whatever.
Yeah, that was marked at 2. I remember that one. That one was 2 and that one was 2. Mystery.
All right. So we shot. Now we're going to have final impressions. Ruger LC9S. One thing I forgot to mention on this is it does have a safety on it, a manual safety right there. Go ahead and show them what you got there, Matt.
Glock 43. Of course, that's the only safety on the whole gun, is right there on the trigger.
So no safety, really. I mean, they call it a safety, but you know, this does have the trigger thing too as well.
Yeah.
So if you're in the market for one and you're wanting a safety, the Ruger LC9S does have one. Glocks, I think if you want one, you have to retrofit it. All right, what did you think overall, Matt?
Dad, you're getting some new sights for Christmas.
Maybe you just need to give your son some shooting lessons.
Yeah.
Anyhow, so to me, both of them, after shooting them, like I said, it took me a minute. To me, both of them shoot, I'm going to say, almost equally well. For me, they shot almost about the same. One of them I was shooting a little bit right, and the other one I was shooting a little bit left. So, as far as carry capacity and all that, they're about the same. To me, almost in every aspect, they're about the same. The only thing I did not like, and that's something you can change out, like he was saying, is the Glock sights. I mean, I could get used to them, so it wouldn't be a problem. But I'm just used to the standard 3-dot system. So,
3 dots where it's at.
So other than that, for me, I would be more than comfortable carrying either one. What do you think?
Yeah, either one would do. Like I said, I like them sights on the Ruger a little better. But we did grow up around Ruger handguns, and we're kind of new to the Glocks. But the Glocks have been a pretty good gun. They're super reliable. But just a Ruger man myself.
Super simple. As we were talking off camera a minute ago, that one there, you can take it apart no problem with no tools. He took it apart earlier. This one here, I'm going to have to do my homework on, because I went to take it apart and I didn't take it apart. It's got a little, like he called it, a trap door. So what it's looking like is you're going to have a tool, toothpick, a punch, to push that pin out. You get it in position. Now if I had practiced this a couple times, I might be able to do it fairly easy. But anyhow, there's a little pin there, and I'm thinking to get that pin out, you've got to have a tool to get it out. So without tools, I don't think you could pull this apart. I could be wrong. If you want to correct us in the video, that's cool. But I think we're good here. Ruger LC9S, Glock 43, Pocket 9s. Either one of them would be a good choice in my opinion. Thanks for watching.
Happy 4th of July, y'all.
Happy 4th of July.